Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Mire is pointed at the right project so textures resolve. Open File Set Project and choose the scene folder. This fixes many broken links. Next, verify the actual image files are present where Mire expects them, and then open Hypershade so you can see shader networks. Once done, select an object and inspect the assigned material in Attribute Editor. That reveals whether the file node path is missing or incorrect, which is your first actionable fix. Now you relink or rebuild the texture connections. In Hypershade, click each file node and set the correct path. You can paste absolute or project relative paths. If the file node is gone, create a new file node, load the texture, and connect it to the material's color, bump, or specular slots as needed. Make sure UVs are assigned correctly so the texture maps display. Once updated, use Viewport 2.0 with hardware texturing, enabled to confirm the maps show up. Finish by cleaning up and validating the fixes. Save, then clear Maya's texture cache and restart Maya. That often forces updated paths to reload. If problems persist, check OS file permissions and ensure image color space matches your workflow. sRGB for color maps, linear for data maps, because wrong settings can make textures look absent. If you still see nothing, import the geometry into a new scene to rule out scene corruption. This isolates the issue quickly. Troubleshoot in that order.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.